Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Merry Christmas. It's day number 1, which means this is December 1st of our 24 days of Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. All the information will be in the link in the description box below, so you can go check out her and the other participants and enjoy in the unboxing of gifts for 24 days. So here's my first set of gifts that I am sending out. I did already seal some of them just in the haste of wrapping and getting this together and forgot to film it. So some will be a surprise for you and her. But anyway, so that's the likelihood of my first packaging. And if you've watched my last year's swap, you will know that I saved most of the packaging from that swap, which I received from Ty Creates here on YouTube, and you can find the information in the playlist that I have inserted previously in this video. Sorry for the background, my dog. But so this is day 1. I did seal it. It really only has like a little just a little, like, I don't know, there's a tag I think in it. I did put a memory dex with my information on it, and possibly a sequence mix. I don't know, but stay tuned. You'll be able to see what she opens if you head over there and follow her on her YouTube channel. So this is day 1. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!